In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a complaint on Vinted, whether you received something that didn't match the description, the quality wasn't what you expected, or a repeat order from the same seller didn't line up with the first one. This guide will help you share your concerns clearly and start moving toward a solution. Begin by opening your browser and going to Vinted.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your purchases and messages. It's helpful to have the item name and when you bought it ready to reference. Keeping those details handy will make your message clearer and save time later. Next, navigate to the item you want to talk about. You can open the original listing you purchased from, or find it in your orders or purchase history. The goal is to land on the item page or its order details so your message is tied to the correct purchase. This keeps everything organized and avoids confusion about which item you're discussing. If you ordered the same item from the same seller and you're disappointed, maybe the condition varies, the sizing is inconsistent, or the listing didn't match what arrived, take a moment to prepare your points. Think about what went wrong, how it differed from the listing, and what a fair fix looks like for you. Being specific, factual, and calm sets a constructive tone from the start. On the item page, look for the Ask Seller button, usually near the price or the seller's profile. Click it to open a message window that automatically links your conversation to that exact item. This ensures the seller knows precisely which order you're referring to and keeps your messages in one place on Vinted. Now craft your message. Be polite, clear, and concise. Identify the item, briefly describe the issue, such as a stain on arrival, a size that doesn't match the listing, or differences between two identical orders. And note when you purchased it. If you can, attach photos that show the problem. Explain what you expected based on the listing and what you actually received. Then state what you're hoping for, whether that's a replacement, a partial refund, or returning the item. Keeping your tone respectful and solution-focused often leads to quicker, friendlier outcomes. Send your message, then keep an eye on your Vinted notifications for a reply. Be ready to answer follow-up questions and provide any additional details the seller might need. That's all it takes. By visiting Vinted.com, selecting the correct item, clicking Ask Seller, and sending a clear, courteous message, you'll start the complaint process the right way and give the seller a fair chance to resolve the issue.